Are you looking for a way to kill bacteria and mites? Well, I have a solution for you. Try a UV vacuum. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be reviewing the JV35 vacuum. As you know, in each episode we do an unboxing and a review, so let's get into it.
This is the JV35 vacuum. This is an anti-mite vacuum and cleaner. Wow. The box is pretty cool. On the top is a guide. It comes with a manual. Looks like a filter. Looks like this is our machine right here. Very nice. Look at that. A little sticker here that says Allergen UK seal. Got our nice container here. Easy release. And plenty extension cable here. Look at that. Wow. Super long cable. Looks like a couple buttons here. It says UV, tap, and vacuum. Easy to remove filter, but it looks like you'll need a flathead here to set it to unlock, and then you can easily pop this out.
With nanofiber carbon heating wire, using nanofiber carbon as a thermal source produces a constant 60 Celsius degree airflow to kill dust mites and bacteria. 253.7 nanometers UV. The 253.7 nanometer UV has intense penetration to destroy the bacteria cell, killing 99.9% of mites and 99.99% of bacteria. 480 watts motor. 5 millimeter diameter brush quickly rotates to send the hair to the inlet of the vacuum cleaner. 480 watt motor provides the 14 kPa strong suction to vacuum the hair in, so the hair will not wind around the brush. Also has an anti-static brush. The brush is composed of a rubber strip and an anti-static fiber strip. It can remove static generated dust while not disrupting the mattress/bedding texture. 6-layer filtration. The filtration system is composed of 6 layers, including cyclone mesh, 2 times dual cyclones, HEPA, and sponge. This can increase the filtration and efficiency. 3 modes are available: UV plus vacuum, tap plus vacuum, and UV plus tap plus vacuum. Wow, that bacteria is gone. I don't have to worry about being sick anytime soon, and that's all thanks to the JV35 vacuum. We'd like to give a huge shout out to geekbuying.com for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!